This is Princess. Shamara. Shauna. And that's me, Ollie. First stop, Arden Island. Arden Island is a popular interactive 3D art museum located in Quezon City, Philippines. It's well known for its unique and immersive experience, where visitors can engage with large-scale 3D artworks and murals that give the illusion of stepping into the scenes themselves. Did you know? The high and low tides are caused by the moon? The moon's gravitational pull generates something called the tidal force, and it causes high and low tide. In the garden of childhood, friendship is the most beautiful flower. Love isn't just a feeling, it's a force that can unite people, break down barriers, and foster understanding and empathy. The Accolade by Edmund Blair Leighton, a famous pre-Raphaelite artist. This painting, created in 1901, represents a medieval scene where a lady is knighting a young man, symbolizing chivalry and honor. Love and friendship are two sides of the same coin, each enriching our lives in unique, yet intertwined ways. Love, with its deep, emotional bonds, brings warmth and purpose to our existence, making us feel valued and understood. Friendship, on the other hand, offers unwavering support and companionship, creating a safety net of trust and loyalty. Together, they form the foundation of our most meaningful relationships, guiding us through life's joys and challenges with a sense of connection and belonging. In essence, love and friendship are the twin pillars that uphold our emotional well-being, reminding us that we are never truly alone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye!